Hello everyone, I've got a 2013 BMW 528i, and today I'll be replacing the armrest in the driver's side door. Got an issue with this armrest, the rubber, where you grab the door to pull it closed. The rubber's coming apart and it's leaving a sticky residue. It's pretty annoying, so it's time to replace it. And to replace it, I've got this part. It's a fully plastic part, no rubber. It's carbon fiber. It's going to give a sporty appearance. Okay, so first thing to do is I've got some door panel removal tools, and I'll just start the process of removing the door panel. Kind of work it out slowly. Let's see, it's grabbing right here. Okay, so I have it pressed down the spring, then pull forward. This one's got an L hook, so it doesn't pull straight out. You gotta slide it forward to remove it. Okay, that piece is out. I'm going to remove this section. Alright, so I got that piece off. Snaps in back there. Okay, so now you got to get Torx bit and remove this screw and this screw. Alright, got a T30 bit. Remove these two screws. Okay, now I should be able to remove the door panel. Find a spot and just kind of start working it in slowly. Alright, so I'm going to continue to work around the door panel, just kind of using this trim tool and move around, finding a location where there's a connector, and then prying, gently prying. You hear a nice little pop. I think I got most of it. Alright, that may be all of them. Alright. Here we go. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 connectors and the two screws to remove the door panel. Okay, so next I need to, take this section off. So it looks like there's 3 screws to do that. Okay, stop. Okay, so I got a T20 and remove 3 screws. Let's see if that's all of them. No, looks like I got one up here I need to remove. So there's the fourth one. It's also a 220 Torx. Now let's see if that's everything. Is there any more? Should be it. Okay, so I just kind of push that out. And that's loose, and I need to undo this electrical connection. Now, I'm not sure how to get that out yet. Okay, so the way to remove that is get a screwdriver. This needs to slide back, the gray part. So get a little leverage, and you slide it back, and it just pops out. There we go. Alright, there's the control module and the old one. You can see that gooey rubbery area is falling apart. Now it's time to reassemble. This should just line up and snap in place. Alright, that part's a lot easier than the removal. It should snap in place also. There we go. Nice snap. Reconnect the electrical connector. Okay, that was right. I had the long screws and the short screws on the right location. So now it's time to hang the door handle back on with the two remaining screws. But that's the look it's going to have. It's a nice clean look. Okay, so get the door panel. Door lock. Alright, get it set in the top section of this foam. Okay, and then it just drops in place. And once it does that, then these connector tabs should line up. It's just a matter of pressing them in. Alright. There we go. That feels solid. Okay, now it's time to reinstall these T30 Torx screws and then put the trim pieces back on. And if you have the door panel lined right, then the screws should line up right. This one's a little tougher to get to, still not a big deal, but got the door handle right there. It's going to come in a slight angle. It's not really a problem. Alright, tighten it up. Now it's time to put the handle trim piece back in place. Have to open the door handle slightly. Slide it through there. Let's see if it'll pop. Okay, good. Now one last piece. This is a trim piece. And this is, remember, I have to slide this one in first. And then line everything up. And push it in place. Okay, so that's my replacement handle. Looks good. And the whole job took about 15 minutes. Okay, hope it helps you out.